Hello there, my name is Matthias. I'm working with Octant, where we're looking to fund some really cool public goods and also offer GLM token holders the opportunity to earn some rewards on their GLM. What I'm demonstrating today is specifically the locking and unlocking for GLM token lockers. I will be doing this on mainnet. However, there's also some opportunity for you to try it on testnet before you do this. There'll be some links in the description. We'll also leave some links to previous resources and videos where we've driven into what Octant is. And yeah, so I'm just going to dive in. This is the Octant.app website. I've already gone to the earn section of this website, and I will go on to locking my GLM. What this will essentially do is that I will need to do two transactions, one to approve my tokens, and the second to actually do the locking of this. So I will make sure that I'm going to lock. Here I can actually lock any amount that I have in my address, with the minimum being 100. I will do the maximum, so I can lock my 4,200 GLM. Here I will go on to do my approve transaction, which is not too different from if you were interacting with a DEX where you tell the token contract how much you're allowing the contract you're interacting with, how much tokens it can spend. It's quite similar, so it's very basic approve transaction. So I will do this approve, and from this I will go on to do my locking transaction into the Octant app. We don't actually use the term staking in Octant because it's not staking in a traditional sense, as most people might know it. It's more locking, then it's tracked or events are emitted how much users are locking into the contract, and then also how much they're unlocking, and they will get rewards and also the potential to donate to public goods based off of that. And during this whole time, the user maintains complete control of their GLM, so they are able to unlock at any time. I'll show that in a second. What I will be doing here is that I'm going to actually do the deposit. I've done my approve, so I'll approve my deposit of my 4,200 GLM into the deposit contract. And if you want to learn more about this, there's actually in the blog, there'll be a link in the description where we go into what specifically the app is doing, the events that are being emitted. What I've done now is that I've successfully deposited my GLM. So what the contract, essentially what's happened is that this contract is tracking my current user deposit. So I've deposited my GLM and it's emitted an event detailing my current and previous locked amounts. I've done some locks already just because I was testing on mainnet, and yeah, all these events have been emitted by the contract. And now I'm going to go on to unlocking. I suppose for a normal user experience, you wouldn't go straight from locking to unlocking. You can already test this in our testnet application. But for the purposes of demonstration, I'm going to go on to the unlock. So you would go to this part of the web UI. I will go to unlock. You can again unlock any amount that you wish. I will unlock the total amount of my 4,200 GLM. And this is just one transaction, so you no longer need to do any type of approve. It's just one transaction to unlock, and this will reduce my deposit in the contract to 0, of course. It will transfer the tokens back to my wallet, and it will emit an event of my previous and current locked amounts in the contract. And you can see that my GLM unlocked successfully. I can close here, and you can also see that my current locked GLM is 0. And something that is important to point out is that for Epoch 1 specifically, your deposits are, or you have an effective balance of your deposit because it's time locked or time weighted. So the longer you lock in your GLM, the more voting power and the bigger rewards you have the potential to get. But that's everything for this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.